मयेगांवच्यान सुरू आशिल्ल्या मीन येरादारी आड गांवचे लोक कोर्टात गेल्ले. कोर्टान लोकांक थाकाय दितना प्रदूषण नियंत्रण मंडळ आणि खण खात्याक वडीर काडले. मीन येरादारीक काय अटी घाल्यात.
Although the villagers were prima facie entitled to relief, looking at the fact that 3/4 had already been transported, the court said that the balance 5,000 only and nothing more can go through my villages with certain conditions. One very important condition was that instead of the 230 trucks which were transporting through the village, there would be only 50 trips per day. They also reduced the timing to 10 a.m. to 12 noon and 2 p.m. to 5 p.m. That is a total of 5 hours instead of the earlier 8 hours.
येरादारीचो प्लान आसले बगर नव्यान खंयच्याच गांवांतल्यान येरादारीक मान्यताय दिवची न्ही म्हूण हायकोर्टाचो आदेश.
Office memorandum which very clearly says that no mining ore should be transported through the villages and has said that this will be a condition for all mining leases in Goa. And since this is a question of transportation, even if there is no mining lease granted, but you are still transporting ore which was mined earlier. So there is, the court says that we are not prepared to believe that this office memorandum has not to be implemented. And secondly, because there was total confusion between Directorate of Mines and the Pollution Control Board, who will approve the route. Director of Mines is saying Pollution Control Board will approve, but Pollution Control Board is saying we are only about monitoring stations. They should choose the route. So they were passing the buck. The court has said 2-3 times we are not clear who is going to monitor, and second, how you are doing real-time monitoring. So they have asked them to file detailed affidavits in the court by February 12th, I think.
फुडली सुनावणी 20 फेब्रुवाराक जातली. प्रुडंटा खातीर सिनियर रिपोर्टर मुकेश कुमार.